Hi 8th class students, in the last class we discussed the properties of quadrilateral, properties of trapezium, properties of parallelogram, properties of rectangle. So, these properties are very important for us, not only for 8th standard, but all classes. These are very important. So, that notes is very important. All of you write the class works along with the diagrams. Today we have to discuss the rhombus and square properties. Okay children, let us go for the properties of rhombus. Properties of rhombus. What are the properties of rhombus? One time see. So, rhombus is a this one. A rhombus is a parallelogram in which any pair of adjacent sides are equal. Any pair of adjacent sides. This is a rhombus. This is parallelogram. A parallelogram in which any pair of two adjacent sides are equal. These two sides or these two sides, these two sides or these two sides are equal. The obtained diagram is said to be rhombus. Here, one time just see the properties of rhombus. Here, if these two sides are equal, already in the properties of parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Automatically, these two sides are also equal. These two sides are also equal. That is, first one is all sides are equal. All sides are equal. That is, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Next, the diagonals are unequal and perpendicular bisect each other. Here, angle between the two diagonals is 90 degrees. The intersecting point is taken as O. The angle between the two diagonals is how much degrees? 90 degrees. Second one, diagonals are unequal and perpendicular bisect each other. Bisects each other. That is, AC perpendicular to BD. Angle AOC equal to angle AOB, angle BOC, angle COD, angle DOA. Each and every angle is equal to how much degrees? 90 degrees. And this one is important. AO equal to CO, BO equal to DO. What is rhombus definition? First of all, you have to write the definition of rhombus. What is the definition of rhombus? A rhombus is a parallelogram in which any pair of adjacent sides are equal. Otherwise, a parallelogram in which any pair of adjacent sides are equal, such kind of parallelogram is said to be rhombus. A parallelogram in which any pair of adjacent sides are equal, such one is said to be rhombus. That is the definition of rhombus. First write that one, afterwards write these properties. Third one, opposite angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. Any pair of opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Next, any pair of adjacent angles are supplementary. Any pair of adjacent angles are supplementary. That is, angle A plus angle B 180 degrees, angle B plus angle C 180 degrees, angle C plus angle D 180 degrees, angle D plus angle A 180 degrees. These are the properties of what one? Rhombus. And one more thing, these four triangles are congruent triangles. Angle AOB congruent to angle BOC, angle COD congruent to angle AOD. Four congruent triangles are formed here. Any pair of supplementary, next one, triangle AOB congruence to triangle BOC, congruence to triangle COD, congruence to triangle DOA. Four are congruent triangles, identically equal triangles. These four are. This is about properties of rhombus. Next one we have to discuss about the next one, square properties. Properties of square. Of a square. What is square first of all? Here we had two definitions. A rhombus in which one of the angle is 90 degrees, the obtained diagram is said to be square. దీంట్లో కనుక ఒక యాంగిల్ 90 డిగ్రీస్ అయితే ఆటోమేటికలీ మనం ఇందాక చెప్పుకున్నాం ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ 180. ఇది 90 అయితే ఆటోమేటికలీ ఇది కూడా ఎంత అవుతుందండి? 90 అవుతుంది. సో ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్క్వేర్ ఈస్ ఏ rhombus in which one of the angle is 90 degrees, the obtained diagram is said to be square. Second one is a rectangle in which any pair of adjacent sides are equal, the obtained diagram is said to be square. These are the two definitions. These two definitions you have to write in your classwork. First one, a rhombus in which one of the angle is 90 degrees, that one is said to be square. Second one, a rectangle in which any pair of adjacent sides are equal, the obtained diagram is said to be square. Okay, properties of square we have to discuss now. This is square. Here rhombus is 90 degrees అయిందండి. Obtained diagram is this one, ABCD. This one is 90 degrees, automatically this one also 90. Angle B 90, automatically angle C also 90. Angle C 90, angle D also 90. All sides are equal. In rhombus all sides are equal. Rectangle properties ko తీసుకోండి. This is rectangle. A rectangle in which one pair of adjacent sides are equal. When these two sides are equal, automatically this side is equal to this opposite side. So these two sides are equal, automatically these two sides are also equal. These two sides are equal. That means the obtained diagram is said to be square. Properties, first one, all sides are equal. Same these like only. All sides are equal, that is AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Same property. Second one, diagonals are unequal here. Here diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal and perpendicular bisects each other. Bisects each other. That is AO equal to BO equal to CO equal to DO. Each one is half of the diagonal. AC equal to BD. AC equal to BD. So each one is half of AC or half of BD. Half of AC or half of BD. Third property. What is that? Here angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. But here all angles are equal. All angles are equal. Next one. Any pair of adjacent angles are supplementary. Each and every one is 90 degrees. Automatically 90 plus 90 180, 90 plus 90 180, 90 plus 90 180. Fourth property also same. Any pair of adjacent angles are supplementary. All are congruent triangles only. Fifth property also same like that. What I left here, same properties right here from this onwards. అంటే ఇక్కడ వన్ ప్రాపర్టీని, ఫోర్త్ ప్రాపర్టీని, ఫిఫ్త్ ప్రాపర్టీని ఇక్కడ కూడా రాసుకోండి. సేమ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ వస్తాయి. దీస్ ఆర్ ద ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ what one? Rhombus, square. So this is the brief notes about the quadrilaterals. Tomorrow we have to discuss the properties of constructions of quadrilateral, but don't forget it. Each and everyone should bring the compass boxes along with you. Without that one, I am helpless. Okay, children. So, along with me, you have to construct the geometrical constructions. Bye, children.